My name is Shuba.
Hi, my name is Aruna, and we're both seniors in mechanical engineering, and we've participated in EPICS India for the past 4 years.
Through EPICS India, we've been able to work on engineering projects that have allowed us to build connections globally that expand beyond this campus.
One of my favorite things about EPICS is the hands-on learning community that we have.
We've gotten to work with welding, machining, CAD, and even run FEA analysis while designing our systems.
You also get to collaborate with students from a bunch of different majors, so everyone brings different perspectives and skills to the team.
Another cool part is that we regularly present our work during design reviews, where industry professionals come in and give us feedback on our designs.
We've even had the chance to test some of our designs in real environments, like taking our prototype out to a farm field to see how it performs. Honestly, EPICS has been one of the reasons we were able to get internships right after freshman year.
Plus, it's a really supportive, low-stress class where you can explore different skills and figure out what areas of engineering you enjoy. It's really rewarding to know that the work that we're doing can make a real impact.